Welcome back everybody. Today I have an interesting video for you. So, I'm taking you to the museum, bask in and enjoy the natural beauty. The museum is located in Nairobi and it showcases the rich Kenyan heritage like culture, history, nature, and the big five. And there they are. Welcome guys. Look at this tiny porcupine. It's hard to believe it grows into this scary species there. What do you know about the gorilla? Tell us in the comments. This part showcases the diverse Kenyan culture. Like, you've got the Maasai, the Somali, and a lot more. And each tribe has got its culture and traditions. Some of them displayed in here. If you guys have interest on the history of mankind, there is a lot to learn in here. So remember the Homo erectus, the Homo sapiens, which is you guys. Yeah, visit the National Museum to learn more. They say we used to look like this, but that's a debate for another day. What is the name of this? The museum also showcases different plants and their healing components.